Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your precious time? Today, we're diving deep into the automation arena, pitting Pabbly Connect against Make to crown the ultimate workflow champion. First up, features. Pabbly Connect shines with its unlimited workflows and built-in apps, meaning you don't have to pay extra for commonly used integrations. Make, on the other hand, boasts a visually intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making complex workflows easier to map out. Pabbly Connect's strength lies in its straightforward, sequential workflow design. Simply select your trigger app, followed by the actions you want to automate. It supports a wide array of applications and offers robust data mapping options. Make's visual interface is incredibly user-friendly. You can connect apps, add logic, and even create complex branching scenarios with ease. Its modular approach allows for granular control over each step of your automation. Now, let's talk money. Pabbly Connect offers competitive pricing with unlimited workflows in all plans. This can be a huge advantage for businesses with extensive automation needs, avoiding extra costs as they scale. Make's pricing is based on operations, which are the individual actions performed within your workflows, while the free plan is generous. Growing businesses may need to carefully monitor their operation usage to stay within budget. Ease of use is subjective. Pabbly Connect's simplicity makes it great for users who want a direct, no-fuss approach. Make's visual editor is perfect for those who prefer a more hands-on, design-oriented experience. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and technical expertise. Pabbly Connect offers unlimited workflows at a competitive price, while Make provides a visually stunning and highly customizable automation platform. Check the links in the description to try them both and decide which one reigns supreme for your business.